Or they capture men and women to herd them on a grassy plain thousands of kilometers wide, commanding them to do nothing but love each other, yet forbidding them to build houses. He enjoys watching people live like reindeer, reveling in the chase between men and women, and mocking the bells and vows in the church. The city of demons is a strange place. No two buildings have the same style, but they are all painted in the same black. You would feel like you've stepped into a blackboard, with bizarre lines appearing everywhere. These lines can be combined infinitely in distance and direction, so people wake up every morning in a new place. The huge square is filled with pools of blood and a forest of flesh, where everyone comes to eat and drink, because no one has pots at home. And there are no coins, gold or silver, for anything that shines brightly is seen as ugly